Have you ever felt abandoned by the people closest to you? The very family that you thought would support you turns their back on you? It's a pain that cuts deeper than any physical wound could ever reach. It's not just heartbreak, it's ego death. The feeling of losing your sense of self, your worth, your identity. When your family rejects you, it feels like the world you knew crumbles. You start questioning everything. Was I not good enough? What did I do to deserve this? You feel lost, betrayed, and stripped of your core. The person you thought you were no longer exists, and what's left is a hollow shell. This is what they call the darkest form of ego death. The moment when you realize that even your own blood can abandon you. In that silence, you are left with only yourself and your pain, and it feels unbearable. But if I told you this is not the end, what if this painful experience was not a punishment, but a gift? The truth is, being abandoned is often the beginning of something far greater. When everything is stripped away, you are left with nothing but yourself and your connection to the divine. Breaking humbles a person, bringing them closer to the true state of servitude. When they call out to God after breaking, they call with the right frequency, and then God bestows His blessings. At first, the trials may seem unbearable. You may feel like you are being punished, but this is merely a test. You are being refined. Your task is to keep walking, to keep hoping in God's mercy. Even when hope seems lost, you must turn to Him with sincere repentance, and through this process you will find clarity. Don't guard yourself too carefully. You are like a mirror. The mirror that is broken is far more precious in the eyes of the one who made it. It is in these moments of breaking, of feeling abandoned, that your inner survival mechanism kicks in. You find new paths, new strength. If you establish a connection with your Creator, your ship will find its way. If not, you may find destruction at your feet. Remember, breaking is not a punishment, it is a blessing. Sometimes breaking into pieces is necessary. It's in the act of picking those pieces up, in rebuilding ourselves, that we create something far more precious, a masterpiece. This journey also teaches us to create healthy boundaries, to preserve our energy, and to focus on our soul's true purpose. Without these challenges, the comfort of others can make us lazy, distracting us from what we are truly meant to do. You must understand you are chosen. You have a unique purpose on this planet, one that no one else can fully grasp but you. Only you know your true worth. Trust your intuition and don't give up. You were never meant to fit in, you were meant to stand out. The more awakened and conscious you become, the more out of sync you seem with the world around you. So, never let their judgment deter you. Your path is unique and it is meant to challenge the norm. I hope this video will help you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now. Take care.